reporting fakes and hijacked accounts and blocking. We should all do our part to report the fakes and the hijacked accounts. It just takes a few seconds, and if we collectively work on that, it helps us to keep this platform just a little safer and a little cleaner. Now, LinkedIn has the tools under More, Report Block, and also under Messaging, 3 dots, Report Block. Seems to me, this is new to me, they've added a feature. We've always had the ability to report the message. We've always had the ability to report the message and block the person, or simply block the person. But this is new, at least new to me, report the person as a fake from the message. We've always had the ability to report fake from the profile under More here, but in the messaging, we now have the ability to report the person as an impersonating someone or as a fake. What we're missing, LinkedIn, is just as you give me the ability here, report the message and block, give me the ability to report the profile and block in simple steps as well. Today I have to do this, and then I have to come down and do this. But my point today is to share with you from the message, we have the ability to report the account as impersonating someone or as not, which basically means they've hijacked an account or it's not a real person. Use these tools so that we can collectively work a little bit together to clean up LinkedIn.